To redeem Amazon gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can redeem Amazon gift card. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can use or redeem Amazon gift card. So make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So to begin with, first thing first, you need to log in into your Amazon.com. For that, open up your web browser and then on the search box type in the link, that is www.amazon.com. I'll also make sure to drop the link on my description box below. Next page, you'll be taken to its official site and make sure to log in into your account. So click on the sign in button located in the upper right hand side corner of your screen. After logged into your account, click on the profile icon located in the upper right hand side corner of your screen. Next page, you'll be able to see multiple tabs and right in between click on gift card. So to redeem your gift card, you need to tap on redeem a gift card in the right hand side corner. Now entering the redemption code that might be located on the back of your card or on your email through which you have received your gift card. After done entering your redemption code, click on the apply to your balance button right over here. Your code will be added to your balance and you can use it as a payment method while purchasing a product. In this way, you can redeem Amazon gift card online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.